Friends, there is a place in India where the ocean is just 2 kilometers away. The waves are so powerful that the sound echoes in your ears. But the moment you take one step inside, everything stops. No waves, no noise, no whisper of wind. Just deep silence. And the moment you step back outside, same noise, same waves, back again. This is not magic, friends. This is the mystery of Jagannath Puri that science has never been able to solve. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, hit like, thumbs up sign and subscribe bell right now. Because we bring such untold stories every day. Now listen to the full story. This story is thousands of years old. Goddess Subhadra had come to visit her brothers at the Jagannath temple. She had come to meet Lord Jagannath and Lord Balbhadra. In her heart she thought, I will sit for a while, talk peacefully, meditate. But from outside, the ocean waves roar, 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 continuously, without stopping, without rest. Goddess Subhadra closed her eyes, tried to concentrate. But that sound kept breaking her focus again and again. Then she made a wish in her heart. Oh Lord, let there always be peace inside this temple. Whoever comes here as a devotee, let the noise of the outside world never reach here. Let this place be only for devotion, only for peace. And friends, from that very moment till today, for thousands of years, the walls of the temple stop every sound of the ocean, right at the doorstep. Then came the scientists. Scientists came. Engineers came. Researchers came. Everyone thought, there must be some architectural trick. There must be soundproof walls. There must be some angle that deflects the sound. But they checked the walls, normal stone. They checked the door, just like any other temple. No special design. No technology. And yet, stand outside the gate, sound comes. Step inside the gate, sound gone. Science is still silent. Friends, if this story gave you goosebumps, hit like, thumbs up sign and comment, Jai Jagannath person with folded hands. And don't forget to subscribe bell. Because the next story is even more mysterious. The thing that surprises everyone the most. Friends, listen carefully. Standing at the main gate of the temple, you can clearly hear the ocean waves. Take one step inside, silence. Take one step outside, noise. A difference of one step. Just one single step. And that difference has existed for thousands of years. Still exists today. And will perhaps exist forever. Because this was not made by any human. This is the blessing of Goddess Subhadra, which she had asked from her Lord. And he had granted. Forever. Whoever comes to this temple, may they hear only the voice of God, not the noise of the world. Jai Jagannath.